Hi there, today I'm gonna show how to resolve .NET 3.5 missing from Windows 10 using .NET Framework 3.5 offline installer. For example, I open an application like this and then appear a prompt .NET Framework 3.5 is required in here. I cancel this, then please go to this link. You can download the software. Okay, I copy and paste here. Okay, you can download anyway in here. After you download, please extract. Okay, then save. You can right click here and then run as administrator. Start installation. Okay, just waiting. Okay, so this .NET Framework of an installer, you need some little bit internet connection. So I recommend you connect to internet resource with slow connection is okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.